Good morning, everyone. So, we are going to start with lesson number 3 of your Fun with Grammar book, Countable and Uncountable Nouns. I hope all of you have got your books with you. Even if not, just try to understand. Answers I am sending you in the worksheets. Looking into the worksheet, you can fill them up, or first you fill them up and then tally with the worksheet answers. Okay. So, countable and uncountable nouns. What are nouns? Naming words. It can be the name of a person like Reena and Meena. It can be the name of a place like Alwar, Rajasthan. It can be the name of animals like cow, goat, elephant. It can be the name of things like chair, table, girl, boy. Now, when we talk of nouns, we have 4 kinds as we have already done. Common nouns. When we talk of common nouns, we can use them in 2 ways. We can use these common nouns in 2 ways. Countable and uncountable. TV. Can you count how many TVs at home? 1, 2, 3. Anything? It is a countable noun. When I say friends, you can count them. 4 friends, 5 friends, 6 friends. If I say boxes, how many boxes on the table? You can easily count them. 5 boxes, 6 boxes, 8 boxes, anything. How many glasses in the kitchen? You can count them. Now, so all these, as the name suggests, are countable nouns. They can be counted in numbers. You get a number for them. Now, next is uncountable nouns. As the name suggests, uncountable nouns like oil. Do you say, Mom, there is 1 oil or 2 oil? No. Water. You don't say, I need 1 water. Sugar. Oh, give me 2 sugars. Not possible. Cloth. I want 1 cloth. No, it's not possible. So these are uncountable nouns. It's very clearly, we do not have any number for them. We can measure them, but we cannot count them. Remember, we can measure them, but we cannot count them. Same way, like if you want to use the word oil, you can say a lot of oil is there. Little water. I want some sugar. I need a large amount of cloth. But you cannot say 5 cloth or 5 sugar. Now, how do we understand or how do we use them as if we are using countable or uncountable nouns? Countable nouns will always have a plural form. It's always possible to have plural forms of the countable nouns. Like if I say one friend, I can say 5 friends. If I say 2 glasses, if I say 1 glass, I can say 2 glasses. It's always possible to have plural forms for them. The rules for converting into plurals we did in the previous chapter, you can apply them here. Use articles a, an and the. If we are using the way we use the nouns, it depends what are we using. We must use a, an and the before them. All the 3 articles are able to be used before these countable nouns. A chair, an elephant, the eggs, all are possible. Now, which words are used before them? Many, a few, a large number of. Like, I have many friends. A few girls were there in the park. A large number of people were present on the occasion. So, we use words such as many, a few, a large number of when we talk of countable nouns. Now, when we talk of uncountable nouns, they cannot have their plural forms. They cannot have their plural forms. Like if I say milk, I cannot say milks. If I say oil, I cannot say oils. If I say sugar, I can't say sugars. Second, they use only the article the before them. Only the definite article the before. The sugar that I gave you. The milk is cold. The juice is not tasty. Now they take the words like much, little, a large amount of before them. I can say there was much water. There was much water in the glass. Now there are some words, some and a lot of. A lot of and some, which can be used before countable and uncountable nouns. Before both the kinds of nouns. Like I can say there is some sugar in the jar. Plus I can say some friends were there. I can say a lot of sugar was there in the jar. A lot of people had come. Sugar is uncountable, people is countable. But we are able to use some and a lot of before both the kinds. Now when we have questions or when we are trying to when we are expecting some negative answer, then we use any. Is there any sugar in the jar? It's a question. At the same time, here the answer I am expecting is no, there is no sugar. So I use any. For questions and negatives, we use any. Do we have anyone who can speak German here? So my expected answer is no. So I use the word any. And it is a question also. So for questions and negatives, use any. Now, with the worksheets, fill up your answers in the books. Complete your work. Tomorrow we'll be starting with lesson number 4. In the next class, lesson 4, be ready with your books. Sit with your books, only understand with me and fill the exercises with the worksheets.